Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking all things skincare. Whether you're dealing with breakouts, dryness, or just want that perfect glow, I'm here to share my top 10 skincare tips that will keep your skin looking healthy and radiant all year round. Let's get started. Cleanse daily. Make sure to use a cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have dry skin, look for a gentle, hydrating cleanser. If you're more on the oily side, go for something lightweight and oil-free. And for sensitive skin, opt for a fragrance-free cleanser. Next up is a step you should never skip: moisturizing. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or is somewhere in between, keeping it hydrated is key to a healthy complexion. Moisturizers help lock in moisture, create a protective barrier, and keep your skin soft and smooth. Apply sunscreen daily. Now, this is one step that makes all the difference: applying sunscreen every single day. Sunscreen is your ultimate defense against harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. And yes, that includes cloudy days too. Remember, sunscreen doesn't last all day. If you're spending time outdoors, reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. This step is key to keeping your skin protected and youthful. Exfoliate weekly. Exfoliating your skin once or twice a week is a great way to keep it smooth and glowing. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can build up on the surface, making your skin look dull and tired. Always be gentle when exfoliating. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier, leading to irritation and sensitivity. Stay hydrated inside and out. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated from the inside helps keep your skin plump, fresh, and more youthful. Using a hydrating serum or mist is a great way to keep your skin moisturized and glowing. And don't forget to hydrate throughout the day. A quick spritz of a hydrating mist can refresh your skin anytime, especially if you're in a dry environment. Eat for healthy skin. Your diet plays a huge role in the appearance of your skin. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts can help protect your skin from damage and fight inflammation. Don't forget your vitamins. Foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and bell peppers, help boost collagen production for firmer, younger-looking skin, while vitamin E from nuts and seeds protects your skin from oxidative stress. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet is key to maintaining that natural glow. Hands off your face. Resist the urge to touch your face. Picking at pimples or resting your hands on your skin can lead to breakouts and even scarring. Manage stress for better skin. Did you know that high stress levels can lead to skin issues like acne, eczema, and premature aging? It's true. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which can trigger inflammation and breakouts. It's essential to incorporate stress relief techniques into your daily routine. Whether it's practicing yoga, meditation, or simply taking a few minutes to breathe deeply, these activities can help lower your stress levels and, in turn, improve your skin health. Bonus tips for glowing skin. Don't skip night creams. Use a humidifier. Limit sugar and processed foods. Get regular exercise. Try facial masks weekly. Stay consistent with your routine.